This is the Mack TRS 315 EDV Italian-made metal cutting cold saw, featuring a 315mm blade and a 90-degree cutting capacity of 100mm. So this machine at 90 degrees will cut 55mm solid bar, 100mm round tube, 90mm square box and 70 by 140 rectangular box. As you can see, this machine, once you've released the mitre handle on the side, you can rotate the head through 45 degrees in both directions. At the same time, to get your optimum capacity, slide the vise backwards and forwards. This will also give you a chance to be able to get the right angle to accommodate when you're in a mitering position. To lock off the mitre or the angle cut from your two-way swivel head, just pull the lever like so. On this vise, you have a 3-prong handle which will open the vise, but quick action clamping can be obtained by just lowering this lever when the material is in place in the vise. At the back of the machine, you have an electric coolant pump. When the coolant falls onto the material and around the blade, it will drop down into this base of this machine, return to the back of the machine through this gauze where the chips will remain. The coolant will then drop into the sump and return to the pump where it will be recirculated back up to the top of the machine, back onto the material again. With this machine, to operate the machine, you have a trigger control on the head lever. You have a 2-speed motor, emergency stop, and also the main isolator. Also with this machine, you can have it in 2 different types of motor. You can have it in a 20 RPM, 40 RPM, or you can have it in a 40 RPM, 80 RPM. Normally you would look at the 20, 40 RPM as cutting stainless steels, hardened materials, etc. And the 40-80 RPM would be used when you're cutting mild steels, angle iron, and such like.